This is the so-called hidden blue slate house. It is in the very back of the Black Valley. It is in the middle of nowhere. And believe it or not, they say this is the most photographed house in Ireland.
I've got an umbrella over my head. I've got a bloody camera around my neck. It's got that windy and that blustery. Even the sheep have took refuge. It is absolutely teeming. That's the view I have at the minute. I'll keep a wee eye out to see if I can spot this deer again that I got earlier on. I'm absolutely soaked. Things you do to try and get a bloody shot. So that's the view I was after. That's the view I was looking for with a windy road. Right, we're in luck. The reindeer's back. I actually think it may be starting to clear up now. I've got the 70 to 300mm lens on. It's just a waiting game now to see if the rain goes off.
Let us know in the comments if you think I should keep it or bin it.